Hi, I'm Stevie, and this is the Action Potential Project. And we know that an action potential is an electrical impulse that flows down the axon of a neuron, and it's surrounded by ions, and the ions contain different charges positive and negative, anions and cations. And these are important because the action potential is the basic reversal of the charges. And here we have a chart with action potential. And on the x-axis we have the time, y-axis we have the membrane potential. Number 1, we have the resting potential, which is the normal flow of electrons and ions from inside the cell to the outside of the cell. And normally the charge on the outside of the cell is positive and the charge on the inside of the cell is negative, which we see will change with the depolarization, which is the increase in charge on the inside of the cell, and the inside of the cell becomes less negative. And here we have the peak action potential where it stops increasing, and we have the repolarization, which is the decrease, and basically the opposite of the depolarization. And here we have the hyperpolarization, which is the return to the resting potential, where we have a negative charge on the inside of the neuron. And we know that action potential occurs inside a neuron, and the neurons help with the central nervous system's transportation of information throughout the body, and it helps you move different limbs, and it helps with your motor movements and sensory information responses and lots of other information interpreting.